Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, a safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Create new agreements based on respect and love. Take the responsibility to make new agreements with those you love. If an agreement doesn't work, change the agreement, create a new one, use your imagination, and explore all the possibilities. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 40, NASDAQ off 40, S&P's down 7, gold contract down $1.30, trading at $1,297 an ounce. Silver down 13 cents at $17.47 an ounce. Platinum off $2 at $9.68 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.08 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.80, $48.01 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note down 12 ticks, 131.28. 30-year bond down 29 ticks, 169.09. Both the notes and the bonds, folks, pulling back with light volume. They both went topside this week, wide price spread, accelerated volume. They both want higher price, lower yields. King dollar just can't handle higher price, down 411 ticks, trading out at 94.29. The euro is up 53 at $1.12, and the yen is flat at 104. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, we had a deviant market, no doubt. You get ABC structures down all over the place. You're going to have them down on the dailies, down on the weeklies, down on all of the above. On the SPY right now, what you have is this. SPY's down 91 million shares. You're trading at 206.77. That's on its way down to the 204 to 202 level, which is the swing low from the 19th of May. NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? 3 Qs are down $1.18. Also with big juice, big volume. They basically blew away its B point, did it with volume. We're at 106.57 right now on the Qs. They're on their way down to the 105 to 104 level, which is also the swing point from the 19th of May. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract's going to be finishing at its highs for the week, folks. We're at $12.97 right now. Gold hit a price point of $13.18 yesterday. Gives it up on price, comes back down to $12.80. Swana goes from $12.78 all the way back up to $12.97, and you get the volume behind the move. Yesterday, you talk about volume behind the move. Big volume yesterday. We did 354,000 contracts yesterday. You're at 194,000 contracts today. You're going to finish at these highs, and what that sets up? That sets up higher prices in the market. We have been in this consolidation. And it's a high-end consolidation since February 11th. 1428 is the next number in the gold market. That's where that baby wants to run into. Notes. Let's go to the note market. So what do we have with notes? 10-year note. Out here today, you went higher yesterday, and we had, I think it was 1.6 million. We did 1.5 million contracts. Got to a price point of 132.22. Today, you back down with 1 million contracts. That's setting up another ABC structure on the way up. It's pretty amazing. Bottom line, notes, bonds want higher price. Right now, the 10-year is yielding 1.6. If we go over to the 30-year and we take a look at the 30-year, what you're going to see inside the 30-year is the same type of setup. The 30-year is down almost a point. Yesterday, we reached a high of 171.07. We did 316,000 contracts. Today, you're backing down with 178,000 contracts. They both want higher price, and free money is the name of the game, folks. Bottom line, the Fed can't go up on rates. Why? Because the whole rest of the world have rates that are so dramatically low. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar also can't handle higher price. We take a look at King dollar. What you have is this. King dollar had a nice bid yesterday, had volume behind the move, never made the swing point. King dollar had made it up to a price point of $95.53. We did 40,000 contracts, which is a good number on the way up. Never made the swing, though. The downdraft was 95.64. What ends up happening? Gives it up on price. What do we do today? You're going down. You get 22,000 contracts. Your first swing low out here that I expect we're going to go after is the 93.38, which was the swing low from the 8th of June. The bigger issue is the May 3rd swing low. That's where this baby's going. That's 92. I suspect what we're actually going to see here, the way that the commodities are trading and the way that the market is trading, is that we're going to be down to the 88 level in good old King Dollar. If we go over and we take a look at the market as a whole, what you're going to see out here today, you're going to have monster volume. We get quad witching out here today, option expiration. We're already at 820 million on the NYSE. That's going to come in at about 1.5 billion. If we take a look at the NASDAQ composite, what you have with the composite, we're already at 1.5 billion. That's going to come in at probably at 2.4 billion. So what are you going to have? You're going to have lower prices, higher volume, and what does that say? That says, see ya, don't want to be ya. We go over to the DAX. We take a look at the DAX in Germany. Why the DAX in Germany? Because the DAX in Germany, baby, is leading the whole baby all the way down. DAX in Germany right now is at 9,630. That is going after its swing lows from February. That swing low, the high of that swing low is 88.99. And if you go back into our own S&Ps, if you want to see how far off those lows we're way off those lows, folks, but that's where this market wants to head to. We're at 2073 right now in the cash S&P. And when you're talking about those February lows, the high of that low is 1847. The low is 1810. And I expect what you're going to see, first we're going to go into the swing point from the 19th of May. That swing point is 2025, and we'll see how it breaks down. Once you break that area, there's not much holding it up until the very bottom. And the reason being, of course, is that when we went topside, starting in February, it was a one-way trip all the way up, February up until April, and then we had that sideways consolidation as the market tried to get up and over those highs. It failed to get up over and over those highs. Can't bust them up. Guess what? You're going to go bust them down. Apple is one of the culprits out here today, and it's not that Apple is down a lot, folks. Apple's only down $1.90, but what you have an expansion of volume. Apple's going to be going after its swing point from May 12th. That swing point is 89.47. You're trading at 95.62. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. A lot of option action coming into the close. Monster volume, lower prices. We're going to be right back.